Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this very colorful nail design using polygel and gel polish. I really like how these nails turn out and they were super easy to do. So if you're interested to see how I did these nails, then please keep on watching. Okay, so today I actually applied a bit of a base to my natural nails because I kind of wanted to grow them a bit. So I'm not having the polygel make direct contact to my natural nails, and now I'm just sticking on my nail tips. I decided to use nail tips today because I've been kind of missing them, and how I basically apply them is just applying base coat to my nail, then applying some base coat to the tip and then placing that on top and then curing that for 60 seconds. I've shown you how I do this in a previous polygel video, I believe, so you can actually see how I'm doing this when I go under the light. Then I am lazy to file off the little tab thing at the end, so I just get my my nail cutters and just trim off that little extra bit. And today I'm using Macart's polygel, and this is in shade dark pink, I believe. And this is just a really nice, pretty, almost purpley kind of pink, and I really was looking to use this more often because I've been using the natural pinks from Macart, but I kind of wanted to use this today. And this is from their classic polygel kit that I got from their website, and you can use my discount code nails by Kamin for 15% off macart.com. I will have that down in the description box. And how I basically apply my polygel is basically to use my base coat as my slip solution, and then using the Macart polygel brush that pretty much comes with every single kit that you buy, and just smooth that out. I like using the base coat gel as my slip solution because it just helps me get a really nice smooth surface. It cuts down my polygel application time as well, so it's just a win-win for me. Definitely try this out and I promise you will like it. It's really quick and it's really easy, and it's really easy to apply the base coat to the polygel as you just saw, and I feel like I don't have to dip my brush as often. So back to the design, I just wanted to say that I've been kind of inspired to do this design from the nail looks that I've been seeing on Instagram. It just really inspired me to do this graffiti kind of very artsy, colorful, bold kind of nail. And with this design, it's just basically running your brush through the colors, and the gels that I'm using today is the Young Nails gel paints, and these are super good. They are really nice and pigmented, and a little bonus is that they dry with no sticky layer, so they are really good. I have done a unboxing / swatch video a while ago when I got these, and I really like them. They are super good, and I got the kit version, so all the colors, but you can also purchase the colors individually. And yeah, just really like how these gel paints were able to give me the look that I wanted to go for, because their consistency is so nice and thick that the colors just weren't running into each other and bleeding into each other. So yeah, definitely try to use a thicker kind of gel for this. You could get away with gel polish, but I just found that they were bleeding into each other so much. So yeah, I just used my gel paints, and I haven't used my Young Nails gel paints in a while, so yes, definitely get your hands on those. I will put that in the description box below for you guys to find. As for Macart, as you know, Macart is my all-time favorite polygel brand. They have an amazing variety of polygel shades. They come out with really fun and quirky kits. I think the most recent one was Birds of Paradise, and yeah, they just include a bunch of stuff in there that is just absolutely amazing. So do try out a Macart kit, especially one of their newer ones, because you get a bunch of glitters, you can get yourself the matching gel polish sets, and they're absolutely amazing. Again, you can use my discount code nails by Kamin to get yourself 15% off, and this is an affiliate link, so I do make a small commission. Back to the nails. Yeah, just basically curing that polygel for 60 seconds. I applied a super thin layer because I wanted these to be sheer, and I just wanted them to look kind of natural with like a pop of color, which I felt this polygel works super well, because all the polygels in the classic polygel kit I believe are all super sheer, so this just works super well for me. So now I'm using my Glitterbels round brush, and I'm picking up the colors and I'm placing them down quite thick. I'm not making them even, I'm not making them perfect, I just basically want to dot them on the nail where I will be dragging my brush through. And the key to this is to just make sure that the colors are almost touching or really close to each other, because when you run your brush through, you don't want any gaps to be, you don't want to see any gaps between the colors. So just make sure that everything is nice and close. As you can tell, that red and that yellow are kind of bleeding into each other a bit, but it won't matter because the consistency is thick. So when I go through with my brush, they won't like blend into each other. I guess you'll see what I mean in a minute. But I tried this with gel polish, and the yellow and the red just like bled into each other and made orange, which was kind of annoying. So yeah, definitely try to use a thicker consistency gel, or even acrylic paint would work good for this. I would say when doing this, apply a thin layer of top coat or base coat before you put on the colors, because I feel like it helps blend and disperse the colors a bit better, but it doesn't make a huge difference. I was still super happy with the end result. As you can see, just get a nice long liner brush. This is from Glitterbels, and just run your brush through really gently. Don't put too much pressure, but definitely go over some of the lines just like 2 or 3 times, just to make sure that they look how you want them to. And yeah, just have fun with it. You could also do this in different directions. You could apply the colors going in a completely different direction and swirling, or doing straight lines like me, or flicking. You know, you could do so much with this, and the color combinations are endless. So just have fun with it. Use what you've got. You definitely use gel polish if you don't have anything else that's thicker, but just try to be careful when you are doing that and make sure the colors are not blending too much. So once I was happy with that, I cured for 30 seconds, and now I wanted to add like a pop of glitter. So I'm using the Glitterbels Hollow Heaven, and this is a nice fine / medium glitter gel polish, and I'm just applying this over. Make sure that you cure the color though, because you don't want to disturb any of that beautiful kind of art that you've done underneath. You just want this to kind of bring some sparkle to the nail. This is optional, you don't have to do this, but I liked how this looked, and yeah, under flash it just looks super nice, and especially now that the sun's coming out here in the UK, it definitely pops a lot more. So I'm just applying that again with the same brush. This is the Glitterbels pink pastel liner brush. I got it in a set of 6 other brushes, which was a super good deal. I will link that down below as well. And the tips that I've used today are from AliExpress. Again, super long time ago. If you've seen my other videos, you know that I love these, and don't remember where I got, like what seller I got these from on AliExpress, so I can't really find them, but I will try to link something similar from Amazon, because I know Amazon just ships way faster. So now, once I'm happy with everything, I'm just top coating. I didn't clear cap anything because I used the base coat to make sure that I'm applying my polygel super smooth, and in the end it's not noticeable. If you want, you can apply top coat, then buff over with a buffer, and then reapply your top coat, just to kind of do a really thin layer of encapsulation. Personally, I was fine with this, and also I'm really happy that I finished my first bottle of macart top coat. I was just really happy to get it all out in this one. So yeah, because I have quite a few that are just sitting there, and I need to like kind of get through them. So that's pretty much it for this video. I forgot to apply cuticle oil, so I'm sorry about that, but this is the final look. I really like how these nails turn out. They look cute and bold, and yeah, just very summer vibes to me. So let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you would try this out. I would love to know if you do. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button if you did enjoy this video and if you do like these nails. And don't forget to check the description box for my macart discount code. I also quickly wanted to show you guys the underneath, like it looks a little bit cool. But anyways, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.